here's my process thinking. Just playing with the B flat major chord, and I'll go to the 4 chord, E flat. And then third measure, I'll go back to the B flat. Then we'll add a little strength, 5 chord, FAC. But now I want to add a 2. So the right hand, yes, I know that's my left, but now I think I'm going to put the C. I'm going to add 2. It's an add 2. C, D, and F. I'm using a 1, 2, 4 fingering. And then I'm going to do the same idea with the E flat. Add 2, F, G, and B flat. The add 2, F is the second degree of E flat. And that would be the third bar. Okay, so now the F, G, that's acting more as a ninth. I don't have the third in that chord, but I'll resolve it. So now I gotta put a little feel to it. I'll just do a very easy practice. See if I like it. Welcome everybody. And alright, so I'm adding the 2, and then the last one is the ninth, but it's closer together for sound. And if you notice on the F chord, I have F, G, C, but then I'm going to resolve because it brings us back to the 4-bar pattern. I hope you like these exercises. So the first one is kind of like just I call it a rhythm chunk. Yes, I'm fancy. And the rhythm chunk is basically getting used to the hand positions, moving around a little bit, and then also trying to groove out. So I'm going to play that a few times. If you want, you can go ahead and play with me. 3, 4, and B flat. I'm not going to use the pedal. Yeah, and E flat. Then we're going to go back to B flat. 3, 4, and F. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You can break up the hands a little bit. 3, 4, and 3, 4, and 1, 2. And you can also just practice it just with one hand. You don't have to do octaves if that's tricky, so you can get the flow. We're always thinking about different notes and getting chord voicings down. You're going to get to the point where you need to be honest and you've got to make the music flow, because nothing stands out worse than choppy playing. Like 1, 2, 1. Hear that hesitation? We want to try to avoid that. And one of the best ways to do that is to practice slowly and be repetitive and record yourself and enjoy the process. Be honest, it's okay. The next one, are you ready for this fancy word? I call the sprinkle, because of the right hand. We have this back and forth. I'm starting with the 4 finger, the D 2 finger, and then the 1 C. 1. Now I'll play both hands slower. With dynamics, let it breathe. 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and. The next one is the outer inner, where we have the F and the C in this case playing together, and then the D by itself. And we're thinking eighth notes. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow it down. And you can resolve that to the A if you want us to set you up for the B flat. 1, both hands. Using that 4 finger is good practice. Back and forth, just jam on that chord for a while. By the way, if you're enjoying this lesson, it's my time. Go ahead, I'm going to say it. You ready? Hit the like button, please. Thank you. Now the E flat. B flat. My favorite one's coming up. Alright, The next one is rhythmic. I'm kind of calling it the sprinkle chunk only because we sometimes play the right hand together and then we have some notes separate. This is a really good one to listen to how you want certain notes to sprinkle, sparkle. I don't know what's going on with my brain today, but hopefully the exercises make sense. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do that again. We'll leave that in there though, because you know, it's all raw. We got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and let me think about it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Slow it down. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right, let me know how you're doing with this lesson, and I can also create a complimentary PDF if you like. Just type in the comments and I'll get the link out to the next video, and I'll be sure to throw it in the community post. Lastly, enjoy the examples where I play and do some drumming, and hopefully you're getting some practicing in. I wish everyone well, and thank you for checking in. All of you are awesome. Keep playing no matter what. Bye-bye.